Indulge in delicious blueberry bliss with this scrumptious blueberry crumb coffee cake. Hi, Liz here. We are whipping up a heavenly blueberry coffee cake with an over-the-top crumb topping. So, grab that apron, preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and let's bake. Let's start off making my favorite part of this cake, the crumble topping. To a medium bowl, let's add 1/2 cup white sugar, a 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 10 tablespoons of melted butter. Let's whisk these together. Then add 2 cups all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup cornstarch, to our sugar mixture, and mix these together with a rubber spatula or your hands. Mix until you have crumbs. Let's move this aside. I promise it's coming back. Now it's time to make our cake. To a large mixing bowl, let's add 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's whisk these together and move to the side. Then let's add a 1/2 cup softened butter, a 1/2 cup white sugar, and a 1/4 cup brown sugar to a large mixing bowl and mix these together with a mixer until light and fluffy. Now mix in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. It's time to bring back our flour mixture and add that alternately to our batter with 1/2 cup milk. Try keeping the mixer speed on low and your batter is going to be thick. Now it's time for our recipe star. I like to toss my blueberries in a tablespoon or 2 of flour first. This will keep them from falling to the bottom of the cake while baking. Now let's fold those blueberries in with a spatula. Transfer the batter into a 9 or 10 inch round pan that has been greased and floured or sprayed with baking spray. Remember that crumbled topping? Grab it and sprinkle it evenly over the top of the cake batter. Don't leave any bald spots now, y'all. Now, let's move our cake to our 375 degree oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes. Oh, help me, y'all. Just look at this beautiful blueberry cake. Oh me, oh my. This crumb topping is over the top. And so is this blueberry coffee cake, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time, and happy baking.